Has this happened to you? If flat tires cost you time and money, this message from Marathon Industries is for you. Save time, save money, and forget the frustration of flat tires forever. Marathon Industries has the answer to flat tires and what a flat tire costs you. Marathon has developed an amazing line of flat-free tires that are guaranteed to keep your equipment rolling smoothly. Our tires look and feel like traditional tires, but never go flat. By using solid microcellular polyurethane foam, Marathon was able to develop a tire that gives the performance of an air-filled tire, but with one big difference. A Marathon tire will never go flat, no matter what you do or where your tires roll. Marathon's flat-free tires go the distance. Not this, but this. Marathon tires are designed to fit all types of equipment, from wheelbarrows to hand trucks, bicycles to lawnmowers. Marathon has the tire to fit your needs. What does a flat cost you? Time is money. Now your equipment is ready to use every time. Marathon tires carry heavy loads over any kind of surface with no problems. Marathon tires are not affected by chemicals or damaging UV rays that can cause a tire to rot and crack. Marathon tires are even non-marking for use inside or in nicer areas. But most importantly, Marathon tires stop the frustration and cost of flats. You'll go from this to this.
Thank you, Marathon.
No more patches, sealants, or pumps. Your equipment is guaranteed to roll perfectly every time, no matter who's using it. No more frustration with flat tires. Save time, save money. Save your back. With flat-free Marathon tires.